Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Andrea Ryan, and if you're new to essential oils, you're not really sure how to use them, you're on the fence as to whether doTERRA is right for you, this video is designed specifically with you in mind. 4 years ago when I got started, I had no idea how to really use essential oils well, safely, and effectively. It took a lot of education, but more importantly, I had an incredible guide that helped me get started. She helped me step by step understand how to use them safely and effectively with my kids, around my pets, in my home, and on myself, so that I felt really empowered as a mom and as an individual on how to use essential oils. I, in turn, want to be that guide for you. Over 4 years, I've developed over and over again different ways to help introduce people to essential oils. If you haven't yet, attend one of my online webinars or come to one of my classes in person and I'll guide you through the basics of essential oils. And then after that, once you've figured out the oils that you feel are going to be best for you and your family and your home, we're going to set up what we call a lifestyle overview. That's a 45-minute consultation just for you that is unique to you and your needs or that of your family, and we can go through each and every single essential oil you have. I'll explain how to use them, what to use them for, whether you dilute, whether you diffuse, so that you have a plan, essentially, in order to implement these oils into your home on a daily basis. You'll feel confident, you'll feel empowered, you'll feel like you have all of the answers at your fingertips. And if you don't at any time, it's a simple email or text off to me to say, hey, I've got this question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible with it. Secondly, you're going to receive a really cute little welcome bag from me, whether it's in the mail or whether we've met in person. And that bag is going to give you a number of different goodies or gifts, if you will, about how to start using essential oils right off the bat. You'll get a couple of roller bottles that you can dilute your essential oils in and roll them directly on your skin. You'll get a few samples of the Deep Blue Rub, of On Guard toothpaste, and On Guard and Easy Air throat drops. You get a really cute clip-on car diffuser so you can bring your essential oils with you in the car. And then you'll get so much great content and reference guides so that you can have a quick lookup or a quick search on how to use different essential oils and the oils that you already have, plus a reference on the oil blends and what they do for you on a regular basis. So this whole process is designed specifically to help you get started with essential oils, because ultimately bringing them home and letting them sit in the box is a disservice not just to the oils, but it's a huge waste of your money, neither of which I want. I want to be able to help support you and get you started confidently so that you're ready to rock it with your essential oils. If you have questions or ready to reach out, or if you're ready to take that step to start with doTERRA, please reach out to me. You can reach me at hello@drandrearyan.com or go to my website, www.drandrearyan.com, and click on the EO Love website page so that you can learn more about how to get started with your oils today. Thanks so much. Any questions, also comment in the section below, and I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as possible.